Here's how to share your location on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Location sharing lets others see where you are in real time. You stay in control and can stop sharing anytime. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Tap the People tab at the bottom. Tap Share My Location. Choose a contact from your list. Select how long you want to share your location. 1 hour, until end of day, or indefinitely. Open the Messages app and select a conversation. Tap the contact name at the top, then tap Info. Tap Share My Location and choose the duration. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Make sure location services are turned on. To stop sharing, open Find My, select the person, and tap Stop Sharing Location. You can only share your location with people you choose. You can remove access anytime. For best accuracy, keep Wi-Fi and mobile data enabled. And that's it. That's how you share your location on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.